So I did my brows off camera, and now I'm going in with my NYX Professional eyeshadow base in white. Guys, since using this eyeshadow base, it has honestly made my eyeshadow colors pop. I mean, it literally makes them look so much brighter and vibrant. So for the girls who are a bit darker, I definitely suggest this. It makes your eyeshadow colors pop so much. So next up, I'm using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using those two purple shades just to act as my transition color. Next up, I'm going back in again with my NYX eyeshadow base in white just to cut a half crease. Because I've got hooded eyes, it's a little hard to do a cut crease at times. So what I do is when I apply the eyeshadow base, I look up so that it transfers to where my crease naturally is. So what I'm doing now is just patting it with a beauty blender so that it's not too wet for when I apply my eyeshadow colors. So now I'm going in with this really lovely bright green. It's quite would you say it's a lime green? Yeah, I'm going in with this lime green color for the inner part of my eyelid. I honestly love this shade, it's so beautiful. And next up, I'm going in with this darker shade of green. And then this beautiful shade of blue. It does not do it any justice how lovely this blue is. It's actually such a beautiful shade. And now I'm going in with this darker purple for the outer part of my eyelid. I'm going in with this black color. This black is literally so black. You don't even need that much on your brush. So I just tap it a little bit and I get loads of pigment. So yeah, I'm just rubbing that on the outer part of my eyelid. And just blending everything else out. So yeah, now I'm just going in with the colors that I used previously and just merging them together because I don't want any harsh lines. I wish I knew this a lot sooner, but you know, I'm learning. So I'm taking the lime green color that I used earlier and just putting it in the inner part of my eyes. And now I'm taking my Life Proof foundation from Sleek and just applying that to my face. It doesn't look like my color, guys, but as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, it eventually, is it oxidizes? I think that's the right word. But yeah, it eventually oxidizes and it blends in perfectly with my skin tone. So now I'm using my Revolution concealer in C13 for a bit of highlighting and a little bit of contouring. And now I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'm now just brushing all of that away. I'm taking my True Match foundation powder and just blending everything out. And I'm taking this blue liquid liner just for my lower lash line, just to give it a bit of a pop of colour. And now I'm going in with my Revolution strobe highlighter just to highlight my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. And I also put a little bit on the top of my lips as well. Next up, I'm using the Sosu lashes, and now I'm using my MAC Chestnut lip liner, guys. I've literally used this lip liner, I think, in my last like 4 or so tutorials. But yeah, now I'm taking this beautiful, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that purple is. But yeah, this beautiful purple lip color for my lips from NYX. And I'm just taking that lime green color I used earlier for the inner part of my eyes, and I'm just applying a little bit to my lips as well, just to get a bit of metallic effect. And now I'm using my Barium setting spray just to set all of that goodness, all of that good. Ooh. Guys, this look is gorgeous. And guys, this is the finished look from basic to baddie. Oh my gosh, I love this look so much. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think of this look. As you can tell, I was definitely feeling it. See you next time, guys. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis.